This is the Grand L70 Series. So this is replacing a current Grand L60 Series. And one of the big changes, and we're very proud of, is the new style of cab that we have on this machine. So we've gone away from our 6-post cab to a 4-post cab, really allowing us to open up the amount of visibility the operator gets while in the cab.
Want to put some extra horsepower behind your operations? Click the link below to subscribe to Equipment World's daily newsletter for the latest construction equipment news, trends, and reviews.
Hi, my name is Matthew Walker. I'm the Senior Product Operations Manager for the compact and utility tractor line here in Kubota, North America. So I'm very proud today to be walking you around our new model. We've increased the cab glass by a total of 4 square feet. So really, again, that just shows how much we've improved the visibility of this machine. So the tractor we're looking at right now is a 5070. So this is a 5070 Premium model. So this has got a turbo diesel engine connected to the iHST transmission. So with that premium model machine, we get the K-Command display, which is another new great feature of this product. So this is a color display, but these are fully customizable. So if an operator wants to see a certain piece of information in there, they can go into the settings and change the setup. This is on all of the Grand L70s. However, on the premium model, we get access to additional transmission settings and adjustments. And with the iHST transmission that we have here in this Kubota machine, there's a lot that you can do with it. You change overall how the transmission responds to the driver's input, really giving full flexibility to maximize the use of the machine. We've also got the new seat offering. So you see here we have the air ride seat. This is a high back seat giving great operator comfort. It has a swivel. It's also heated, so great for those cold climates, keeping the operator comfy. When we're looking in the cab, the K-Command display is controlled by a jog dial on the far side there. As I rotate the jog dial here, you'll see it changes the screen. Now we're looking at the shortcut menu to really get into the transmission settings. We've also got the option of adding in the front and rear cameras. It's also got Bluetooth radio, so you answer calls while on the go. We have soft touch buttons over here on the right-hand panel. On the left-hand side there, we've addressed one of the big requests from our customers is storage. So we've got a nice big cup holder there. We've got a soft rubber cell phone holder. We've got the covered storage box, and inside this covered storage box, we have USB charging points. You've got a document holder on the side as well there, just adding additional storage to maximizing the space we have. Another big advancement for us is looking at the multifunctional loader joystick. So you have an array of features on here. You have our third function valve, so this would be for running a grapple on the front of the machine, opening and closing that grapple, so that the buttons are already in the handle. If the customer wants to add the valve to the machine, that's a whole good they can add, or the dealer can add for them to give them that functionality. We have cruise control on this machine, and once the cruise control is engaged, the customer can change the cruise control speed on the fly at the push of a button. Again, really giving that flexibility. We have auto throttle advance, can be switched on and off. Auto throttle advance is a great feature if you're moving a lot of dirt, pushing into a dirt pile, that will prevent the engine from stalling out. And as you're driving around, not having to worry about where you're setting the hand throttle, as you press the pedal, it's going to adjust the engine speed to make sure the tractor's going to power to move around. We now have a remote start option available for this. There's a key fob, and the operator or the owner can press, I think it's up to 100, 200 feet distance. Press, as long as the transmission is in a safe condition, the vehicle's left in the right condition, you can start the engine, get it warming up or cooling down if you're in the warmer climates. That's your rear hitch control, so that's raise and lower the rear arms. For this machine, we have our LA1056 loader, so this is the evolution of the 1055 we have today. Some lift capacity increases, some styling increases. You'll see on the far side, all of the hoses and harnesses are neatly tucked inside the loader frame. We also have an additional option of adding the loader lights to give an increased visibility, not only when using the front end loader, but that can also be a benefit working at night in the fields. As you can see, we've moved to all LED lights in the hood, on the roof, and really bringing that style of the machine up to where we are. So this is our flagship model, so we're looking to maintain that position.
So one feature of the new seat is instead of cranking it right here, you can just release the air this way, or if you push in, the seat will fill up with air.
And then with Auto HDS, once you have your load, it's going to shift you from that low range with the HDS into the high. And alternatively, when you're in a high range and the transmission can tell you need a bit more, it'll shift down into that low. Just like that right there. So I bogged it down just a little bit and shifted straight from high to low. Also, stall guard activated right there at the same time if you could hear the RPMs kick up just a little bit as it bogged down. So, now we're doing about a 2-point turn here, and we're going to move this dirt that I just picked up right over here to the other pile. And as I get going again, it shifted from that low HDS back to the high. So that can allow me to transport all this material that I just picked up that much faster.
For more videos like this, click the playlist on the screen now.